Imagine a single product that can transform your skin, hair, and overall beauty regime. Yes, you guessed it right. We are talking about the miraculous tissue oil. This humble elixir has been a cornerstone of beauty routines for generations, promising a wealth of benefits for those who use it. Tissue oil is a versatile product, suitable for adults and children alike. It's not just a moisturizer, but a powerful tool for improving the health and appearance of your skin and hair. From reducing the appearance of scarring and stretch marks, to hydrating dry skin and adding shine to dull hair, tissue oil is a true beauty all-rounder. Now let's take a moment to introduce you to an exciting opportunity. The Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy is now open for registration. Offering one-on-one tutorial sessions with our senior beautician, this unique learning experience is perfect for those seeking to expand their beauty knowledge. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate of recognition, a starter kit to kickstart your own beauty regime, and 30 days of mentorship to ensure you're on the right track. This academy is not just about teaching you the basics, but about unveiling the secrets of beauty products like tissue oil. We aim to empower you with the knowledge and skills to use these products to their full potential, enhancing your beauty regime and helping you feel confident and beautiful. So, if you're intrigued by the magic of tissue oil and eager to learn more about its benefits and uses, you've come to the right place. Let's embark on this journey together, unraveling the mysteries and marvels of this age-old beauty secret. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the wonders of tissue oil, a beauty secret that has stood the test of time. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this magical substance called tissue oil? Well, let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of this beauty essential. Tissue oil, also known as skin oil, is a specially formulated oil designed to improve the appearance and feel of your skin. It's packed with vitamins and essential fatty acids that work wonders on your skin, from reducing scars and stretch marks to hydrating dry patches. Now, how do you use this wonder oil? It's simple. For adults, apply tissue oil directly to the skin, usually after a bath or shower when your skin is still slightly damp. This allows for better absorption and optimal results. For children, it's best to mix a few drops of tissue oil into their body lotion to ensure it's not too concentrated. Remember, a little goes a long way. So where did this wonder oil originate? Tissue oil has a rich history rooted in Africa. Indigenous communities have been using oils derived from plants and nuts to nourish and protect their skin for centuries. These traditional practices caught the eye of beauty industry pioneers, and voila, tissue oil was born. Over the years, tissue oil has gained immense popularity, not just in Africa, but globally. Its natural ingredients and multitude of benefits have made it a must-have in every beauty enthusiast's skincare routine. From the savannas of Africa to the bustling cities worldwide, tissue oil is a testament to the power of nature in enhancing beauty. And why is it called tissue oil, you ask? Well, it's because it's designed to penetrate deep into the tissue of your skin, nourishing it from within and promoting skin health. As we've seen, tissue oil is not just an oil, it's a powerhouse of benefits wrapped in a bottle. So the next time you're looking for a solution to your skin woes, remember, tissue oil might just be your skin's new best friend. So, why should you incorporate tissue oil into your beauty routine? Great question. Let's dive into the top 5 reasons why this magical elixir should be your go-to beauty product. Firstly, tissue oil is a fantastic moisturizer. It's rich in essential fatty acids like omega-3 and 6, which are known to hydrate your skin and help retain its natural moisture. So if you're dealing with dry or flaky skin, tissue oil might just be your skin's new best friend. Secondly, it's a champion in reducing scars and stretch marks. Tissue oil has a high concentration of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that promotes skin healing. Whether you have an old scar from a childhood adventure or recent stretch marks from a pregnancy, tissue oil can help fade these marks over time. Thirdly, it's a natural anti-aging remedy. Tissue oil is packed with nutrients that promote cell regeneration and collagen production, both of which are key to maintaining youthful, vibrant skin. So why spend a fortune on expensive anti-aging creams when tissue oil can offer similar benefits? Fourthly, it's beneficial for hair health. Yes, you heard it right. Tissue oil can be used to add shine, tame frizz, and even promote hair growth. A small amount of oil applied to your hair can work wonders, giving you luscious, glossy locks. Lastly, tissue oil is excellent for overall skin health. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin and provide relief from conditions like eczema or dermatitis. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental stresses. With such compelling reasons, who wouldn't want to make tissue oil a staple in their beauty regimen? So, are you ready to give tissue oil a try? Stay tuned as we move on to discuss the top 5 tissue oil products on the market. You don't want to miss this. Now that we've established the why, let's talk about the what, the top tissue oil products you should consider. First on our list is the Bio Oil Skincare Oil. This multitasking marvel is renowned for its skin healing properties, and it's a favorite among many for its ability to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Infused with a unique blend of natural plant oils and vitamins, Bio Oil Skincare Oil hydrates and nourishes the skin, promoting elasticity and a healthy glow. Next up is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Skin Therapy Oil. This lightweight, non-greasy formula combines the intensive moisturizing benefits of cocoa butter with the rejuvenating power of vitamin E. It's a perfect pick for those who want a radiant complexion without the shine. Moving on, we have Clarins Tonic Body Treatment Oil. This luxurious body treatment oil is a blend of 100% pure plant extracts, including rosemary, geranium, and mint, which help firm, tone, and improve the elasticity of the skin, while also preventing the appearance of stretch marks. Fourth on our list is Weleda Pregnancy Body Oil for Stretch Marks. This is a specially formulated product for expectant mothers. It's packed with sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and arnica extract, which work together to keep the skin supple and help it withstand stretching during pregnancy. Finally, we introduce Burt's Bees Mama Bee Nourishing Body Oil. This natural, lightweight oil is made from sweet almond oil and lemon oil, which hydrate dry skin and provide a soothing, gentle fragrance. It's an excellent choice for mothers-to-be and anyone else seeking soft, supple skin. These products are not just about tissue oil. They're about enhancing your beauty in the most natural way possible. Before we wrap up, we have a bonus tip for you to maximize the benefits of tissue oil. Now, stretch marks can be a concern for many of us, but here's a little secret on how to deal with them. Every time you get a new bottle of body lotion, add a little tissue oil to it. This mix can work wonders on your skin, helping to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. However, remember not to apply tissue oil directly to your skin on a daily basis. Try this out and observe the results. We're confident you'll love what you see. Now, as we conclude, it's important to remember that beauty isn't about striving for perfection. It's about embracing who you are and enhancing it in natural ways. Tissue oil is one such way. It's been used across Africa for generations, and its benefits are undeniable. It's not just a product, but a testament to the power of nature and tradition. We hope you've enjoyed this journey of discovery with us, learning about tissue oil, its history, its benefits, and the best products that incorporate it. We've loved sharing this knowledge with you, and we hope it helps you on your own beauty journey. But our exploration doesn't have to end here. We want to hear from you. Have you tried tissue oil before? What was your experience? Do you have any questions or suggestions? We're always eager to learn from our community and to share more of what you want to know. So, drop us a comment below and let us know what you'd like us to cover next. Remember, beauty is about embracing who you are and enhancing it in natural ways. Tissue oil is one such way. We hope you enjoyed this journey of discovery with us. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and tell us what you'd like us to cover next. Stay beautiful. Stay confident.